This Magnavox BG3100 was made in the early 80s. This one belongs to my father-in-law, who inherited it from his grandmother. He said it made a popping noise when turning the volume knob, so let's take a look.
Call AccuClean today at 803-957-02. Need some more? That's Accu. 803-202. I'll see you soon.
Yep, that's the typical corrosion built up on the pot. Let's get into it. Pretty simple to take the back off, only 2 screws. It's actually pretty clean inside. I use DeoxIT D5 to get the oxidation off the pots. Just spray it in the pot through the opening where the wires connect. Then work the control back and forth many times and it'll clean itself. After it dries, I'll power it back on and test it.
Skipper is up next.
Thank you, Paul, for taking my call.
Aye, aye, Skipper.
I'm a Georgia fan. Started watching football in 1946. And you have very good reporters on that, are very intelligent. And then you bring on Mike Griffith. He is not a representative.
That's much
Georgia.
better.
I just wish it wasn't on that. Every time he's on there, I get upset. And then I remember about 4 weeks ago, you had a guy on there from Alabama named Jim that really got upset. I can understand.
Now I'll clean it up and test it again.
In my opinion,
The dark spot on the grill is where it's still drying.
What the kid said.
Yeah, that ain't too hard, folks. Just, use your imagination. But I was kind of shocked when I heard it myself. It's $5. I must be to it. But
Nice and smooth volume control now.
I thought it was going crazy. But if you would like to continue, I do have an observation.
Yeah, absolutely. Please.
The built-in antenna works great on this old radio.
Would somebody, Randy, would you help me off the floor here after Dominic said what he did? Blank for brains from a 12-year-old?
Well, Dad, this radio is good to go for many years.
That was my 12-year-old. He'd be sleeping outside.
Thanks for watching.